Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a QuickBooks account. First, navigate to the QuickBooks website to begin your journey. You'll need to choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs, with options ranging from solopreneur to advanced. Then, create your Intuit account using your email address and a strong password. Many plans offer a free 30-day trial, allowing you to explore the software before committing. Next, select the QuickBooks online plan that best suits your business. Options like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced cater to different needs, with monthly costs ranging from about $20 to over $200. After choosing, you'll enter essential company details such as your business name, industry, and contact information. You will also specify your business type and fiscal year-end date to tailor your account. Now, it's time to personalize your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Account and Settings section to input your legal business name, address, and tax identification numbers. You can also configure your chart of accounts, which helps categorize your income and expenses accurately. Don't forget to customize your sales forms, like invoices, to reflect your company's branding and professional image. The final crucial step is connecting your bank and credit card accounts. This enables QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, saving you significant time on manual data entry. You can often import up to 24 months of historical transactions. After connecting, review and categorize these imported items to ensure accuracy. With your accounts linked, you are now ready to track income, expenses, and generate valuable financial reports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.